lo fatai tu fatai fo I mo le o ondanga wa fa ta tu jo Samoa a me se fo I le ta o singa lu nei o tilandi sila ta po kanu ni tu sa o tu me dina che America I le fo taiao ya po le fiasi fo I se se va no te lope mai Seattle po Washington state Washington se fa tanga me te si fo I o mai ta I longa sa mo tonu o anta ti fanga o lo na swa for super grade sa falava kita yo ati se ke sigi ko standonga la mo pa pa tu o si se se ko yo te mai tai ba longa tonu anta ti fanga ba se ko ma sa yo ta do tu yo se sigi la ko ke ko pa si manga o lo na ma tu po na tu a ya pio nga pa na Jerome Gray ya malona tinda enemy ta ita our Lang Gray si the brain amasa mai ya long se ko me Samoa o la ba Hawaii fa Penang California o lo me ne ya ti tanga ma se dise so me ta ni o ko tu lang o ko ne tu po stand up comedian nana matanga ni ko ba tendo ni si o ate ka wa itu tonu o ate ti fanga lo ya ti se Gray the chiefs of war le ba dia po ni ko sanga yo te shulima chief of war the TV series there Rescue Hawaii Sir Skeleton Crew Next Gold Wins The Wind and the Reckoning Last Hawaiian Sugar CSI Vegas I think you should leave with Tim Robinson NCIS Los Angeles Tesasirata for Phobias Rapena Magnum PI to the for Marley TV series or Posh DC Legends of Tomorrow Girls Game Single Parents I Am the Night Smell, yeah, here and beyond. I did for Lizzie. My favorite love, I'm sorry, I don't know so far so lot. Grace Anatomy, Hawaii 5-0, Ella in Hollywood, Beast, a football story. Yeah, my Nisipo, see the Pierre, Aloha, but the Namanata for Ulavilo, or the Moana. Yeah, Nitaya. Atalopati, the Summer is the great.
Self-love, thank you for having me, Brother Ken.
We're honored to have you. But say about you. You know, tell us a little bit about yourself, your parents, and your upbringing, where you're born, and you know how all the next stuff.
Thank you so much for having me. Whenever we Samoa, ako makola may Samoa, kalo mo like Chichia, and then you left Samoa when I was umalit sa Ongo. My only Mary Savalalo. My favorite teacher, Mrs. Nalubao. I hope to someday find her from mga or ko pagkay 16 o ko le leya leya na ko pa ya o ngay o St. Mary's. But nala we left Samoa and went to Hawaii, and from Hawaii we made our way to California. So nala mako from Orange County, California, and right now at this very moment we're trying to catch our flight to return back to California and Seattle. My son plays football over here at University of Washington. So nalaman ko may lang senior game lang ako inaskohan. Thanksgiving ay
Lala o nga ini pa pong may sinulo pa pong may pa.
University of Washington. Ingalele UW.
Yeah.
Iyoy. Ikaw le football ingale. Iyoy.
Yeah. Oile ngata mo la ba influence pen amakai en mana o de tulang o sa tu mo tanata nagwit don't want to tell us more about that.
Apa po ito ko if I am makakalang Frank Sinatra, makakalang Sammy Davis Jr., Dean Martin, Rat Pack na. So yung po makuha sister video store, mo po may naya videos, mawaka, aligan, may daw ba, ngayon follow mo yung Jerome, your dad. So mga pagkulo ka lang, man, ako yung may kukumin. And then eventually, makamakait po, sila art formulas ay may lawan, may ito o makukamao. I was so attracted to it. I was so, just drawn into it, especially because it's not healthy. I'm not going to fight. I fall in love. I make believe. Makalala yung yeah. Kaya na make believe yung pushes sa Samoa and wala ko in Hollywood. Yeah. Walang kala sa atin so mo.
Java about Lago Lepa for my initiate Masali ya for Yalum Pano and I to Tokyo.
And I apologize, Ken. I still speak in the very slangish way versus the more, the T's, more respectful.
No worries.
I appreciate it. I really
whatever you feel comfortable with.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I foi ko di ba mako uso makua o Juliet like mo foi Australia, and then all brother makua mako ko nang yo tifulo ang inyo California o yang lang a band of five lang a band, and then so I ka umalaya mako o also animativa like mako mali the rest of us ko fale nga. And then Taumata like Malakikinga with the Common Kings. Mako, Orange County, and then Skinny of Julie Oli Australia.
Wow. It's hard to get out of of our local or shadow or I don't want to do my it's a parent wife up there. One by Jerome, they don't talk about the meeting that you have done.
The man, can probably attend to talking about Common Keys, more, and then the CCK Common Keys. I said, oh, my queen. We have classes in the university now, according to your dad's writing. I come up there, CCK, So the same with all of us, CCK, Mako. Like you said earlier,
Placing the instead of living by there's no entertainment value out of the room. He can play 3 songs for a whole hour and people rolling.
And he does it in a way where it flows. It's just a nice flow, and it will bring out a choppy. He makes 3 songs seems like you just watched a whole hour concert. Man, he can't bring it up.
I don't want to get what was to say. Dala o te mana o e mo ta o le mena ta loi nei o mo tu oi I loi do te ma o na o le tanta Malaysia tu le stu le tanta la do
oh you're too
le ta o manele chiefs of war ia ka fa pena Lalo experience or lasa may tao ko ile pa ngai na ko sa nasalan o wa tele movie ni Hollywood na America tele na pa nga sa tabay nasa sa do nan tao
o kapag nga makay ile industry na o they mga stories they mga characters o nga le boka ko kele mo characters nga su mo ko Mexico Middle Eastern, where we can look at that character. But and then so now in the industry your writers, filmmakers, especially the writers are key in writing stories and placing Polynesians in these television shows and these films. For a really good example, besides the Chief of War, speaking of Chief of War, yes, the writing partner, Jason, was Thomas Pa, Civic. Hawaii, he got in there and he was able to write the stories of so many Polynesians in place, and even Moana, so I was thinking of Dana Ladule, directing animation, the second one. And there's a lot more Polynesian shows that, not Polynesian, there's a lot more Polynesian people, writers in the writing rooms, creating characters because, honestly, Canada Polynesian is very influential in different areas, in different stories. Canada Polynesian, America, and all over the world. So it's a really good thing that we're seeing.
You were both in the U.S. and New Zealand. Certainly, your talent is how many years out there, or that's how much you work in. What's your experience and observation in the development of the or artist at Aponitia?
My little question, like, mawa ile art, like, in America. Kele o mako, kele fa ngau ile direction or either football, academics, entertainment. And speaking, specifically, LAI, ikaw kele ni kamaka in the world of acting. In the script writing. Script writing. Ikaw kele, just as you're now they're coming out more, now that they know kamaki for that, and this is the reason why. I was a part of this organization, a champion like universities at USC, UCLA, and I came to represent the entertainment field. I kamaki no my entertainment field I'm interested in. But I find makokala info. It's just like kamaki. It's just a jump into the industry there ola go back, and the same happened with me. You know, as much as Dad was in the entertainment field, you know, stay with my brothers, push my go outside of it. Now we were going to eventually come into it. But like it's timid to go for their dreams. And I'm stable, guarantee, because in all honesty, entertainment field is very, very, it's very, what you call it, it's a gamble.
Yeah, but the other thing too, people on the southern north, it's a very racist industry. You can tell me how it works. You know what? I can only speak on my experience. But you know, suddenly, after I'm in Hawaii, I'm in the theater in Hawaii in the States. Yeah. And then eventually we started doing a couple of things over there. It's in Hawaii. Everyone in the industry in Hawaii is such aloha spirit. Aloha spirit is completely different. And then many ethnic groups.
Very many ethnic groups. I saw in LA. It's LA. And I say it because I don't know Punganka, racist Punganka, and just LATC. Because but I don't know but at the same time too, yes, there are some you know, and it's still happening here. But I didn't experience it much, to be honest, Kim. I didn't experience a lot. Yeah. It was just barely here and there, but not a lot.
What decides to stand-up comedian or you want to start very well so ngari ko Congo o dinasti pe ba no ya Hawaii ka pingo but I can't go there I also could be in a comedy tell us a short one.
Absolutely. Whenever we feel comedy, I've always got comedy because of that. You know, I see how he uses that in his art. So for me, whenever I gravitate, but if I am for casting drama, lani ala kanya da. So I said to myself, no, takulog manager, you know, as much as I love drama, how I find comedy, whenever I find comedy. So then I said to myself, I think it's the right time to pivot into something. There's no female stand-up comedian at this moment. So I said to myself, you know what, I would like to just get in there and start, you know, representing our kamaka. And it's been fun. It's been great. A lot of our people have responded well to it. And you're right. If I was feeling, I'm up in Hawaii. But I said to myself, you know what, the mainland, that will find my kula.
Sounding my little joke at Cassie, but if I was I think in a short questions there, you know, answers are. I find the fight you like, you know, you have children, not just sure. What's your favorite salmon food?
Kalamatalsan, hands down. Kalamatalsan,
Okay, other than your dad's song, other than your dad's song, what's your favorite Salmon song?
Oh man, you know what? I think it's a Dave Parker song. Malay ka ikale title.
So one, talk up.
Yes. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite right there. We'll always have love for Dave Parker.
Dave is the man.
He is the man.
Like I interviewed him some years ago. Yeah. I started this radio program. I started interviewing people in 1985, 86.
Wow. Okay. I'm honored.
Yeah.
There's some very great people and all of us playing Dave Parker.
As far as I know, what's your favorite island in Samoa?
You know what? Kami nga makuha Samoa. I love Savai. Ngayon Savai, when we went to visit Dad's wakes up with Kel. Ngayon Savai. I really enjoyed that. But I always, my memories of Bailima, ako kapag Mokoro, Jerome, Mokoro, Makita. So the memories that we have in Bailima, Makila Makoaya or Makofi, it's just a lot of gratitude. We know what it looks like to have nothing, but
I have 1 more minute because I know you're about to leave.
We're boarding right now.
Boarding, yeah. What's your favorite song of all your dad's many songs? What's your favorite song and why?
No illusion. No illusion. That will always be my favorite.
Oh,
Dad.
What an awesome song.
It's a beautiful song. It's a timeless song. But yeah, that would definitely be my song. Even though they made me sing We Are Samoa all the time in Malifa. Oh God!
Yeah. Now you see, it's one of my favorite of all time. We have 20 seconds. When they say if I will
let me tell all my stories. All the stories came there. You know, kailangan niya kami nga mag-film at Jason. Jason Jason by Kiki Samoa. So mga baalala ko, bye. I was like, Jason, bye Kiki, Real Island Girls. Yeah, well, it's nice for Corula. Ako sa size for Corula sa Balmore lang. Sa nice to my size 13. Nala, yeah.
Well, I know you're boarding.
Yes.
I'm about to let you know. She's boarding in Seattle, SeaTac.
Yes, SeaTac right
for California. Anyway, thank you very much. I'll give you some last 20 seconds if I have time. Someone might let you know. Okay.
Yeah, Lava Ken and everyone for having me. Samoa has my heart always, and I appreciate my and I love my country. So I'm out here representing Samoa as best as I can. And thank you again for the opportunity, brother. Aloha aku and God
bless.
Merry Christmas.
Safe travels.
Yeah, Lava, brother.
Yeah, nagkain na sisa sa ba'i. O sisa Gray, o kanana Jerome Gray, na po katutong o Hollywood, maakit at kitang ang mga naman sa tulipo si Malina Kito Amerika. At ito po, sarala ko yung ay nga nang risilyo lang. So, ang naman kayo may safe one.